Alright guys, so you see this here? This piece here, you know, holds you know, it's for this, but you can get this through here. This should come through here, I think. Oh, no, I don't. Let me see if I can. I don't know. It should go through there though. I don't know. It should go through there though. But anyway, this here, it just slides out. It's got slots right here, guys, on both sides. And this just slides in and out right there, guys. Pops in place. So I'm gonna go on and this panel was looking kind of rough in here. So I'm gonna sand this down and dye this up. But this is what was wrong with the other seat belt here. See that? It's just, for an old lady that had a car, she was rough on the seat belts, guys. It's a mess. Yeah, it's a hot mess, guys. Look at that. I heard her grandson had the car after she did, so I don't know. But anyway. Alright. Alright, so first off, guys, I'm on, I see a few spots here that's got like grease or something on them, so I'm gonna spray them down with degreaser. So, and it's coming off of there. So I got the Sims Prep Soap. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is that I want to clean this seat belt up, scuff it up, clean it up some. And I wanted to paint this thing tonight, but I think I'm gonna have to let it dry, paint it tomorrow when I get off work, and then I should be able to put this in here Saturday morning, I think. Get up early. Put this in here. Scuff pad down. I'm gonna soak this pad down. And just want to put that Sims soap on there, on that pad. And all I'm trying to do here, guys, is I think I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna bring one of my stands in here and lay this down, make it a little easier to work with. Alright, I'm gonna start off by washing that down. And I'll just lay this down on here. Soak this down. And what this is going to do, guys, is that this is going to also, it's going to clean this all at the same time. I did other seat belts. And they lasted for quite a while, so. And you just never know if, you know, the guy worked at an auto mechanic shop what he did for a living. So this will help get some of the grease and contaminants out of this seat belt. So so also guys, I want to come in and I want to come in and clean this up too. So that needs to be painted black. It's been clean good enough is that when you spray this off, okay, see that water is still beating off of there. So I'm gonna come in now with some wax and grease remover and hit that and see if I can degrease it a little better. Really putting the soap to it this time, guys. Alright, see, it's almost there. It's still beating up right in here a little bit, guys. You might not be able to see that, but that means they used to, whoever had this car used to armor all these quite a bit. So you just got to take the time out, guys, and really, you got to just really clean these things up. All right, so that's just about right. Now this here, I'm really soaking this down. That's about 2.5 coats. See, it's even thick in some areas, running in others. I'll take something or put a glove on and smooth that in there. Because you just want it to soak in. And then when I turn it on the other side, it should really just soak in, guys. So, alright. Now guys, what I did with this seat belt, and this seat belt is, once it dries real good, you're gonna have to use it a few times, so you know all of this will break loose, and this is a flexible die, so it ain't gonna be cracking or nothing like that. I have dyed other seat belts either back the same color when they been in the car, you know, all messed up, but after you use them a few times, this seat belt, it's gonna be stiff at first, but you see here I got dye drops on the floor there, because what I did, guys, I sprayed a few light coats on first, and then what I did is just got this wet, put me rubber gloves on, and just came all the way down, smashing, making sure I get that dye in every little inch and crook and cranny of these pores. So it was super wet, and I just put the glove on and really just mashed that dye all in between, because you know it's just a whole bunch of individual pores there, guys, and I just had to make sure I really got the dye up in there. But that's how you go about dyeing these seat belts, guys.